Hi friends, this is Pam. I'm a brand ambassador for Wilson Wilson. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how you can create your own pocket pages using Wilson Wilson products in the Project Life app. The device that I will be using during this video is a 6th generation iPad. In this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step process to create a 6x8 pocket page layout using the complimentary Today collection in the Project Life app. At the conclusion of this video, you will be confident in saving your Wilson Wilson products in the Dropbox app. You'll also successfully import Wilson Wilson digital products from Dropbox into the Project Life app. You'll be able to create and complete a pocket page in the Project Life app using 6x8 templates while preserving your memories in the palm of your hand. Before we begin, be sure to download and install the current version of the Project Life app on your device and be sure the freeform text tool feature is enabled. This will allow you to add journaling to any imported digital card or photo directly in the Project Life app. If you are new to the app, this freeform text feature is an add-on and can be purchased. Using Wilson Wilson products within the Project Life app is very simple. There are a variety of ways to save digital card collections and kits to your device via iCloud, Google, Box, and Dropbox accounts. I encourage you to use whatever you are most comfortable with. For the purpose of this video and ease of accessibility, I will be using the Dropbox app. Now let's get started and navigate to the Wilson Wilson website to download the free Today collection. Tap on the Resources tab from the top menu, and then select the Today collection. Scroll down the page and tap on Download. This free collection will save directly to your device. To save this folder to your Dropbox account, hold and select the folder, tap on Move, and tap on Dropbox. Select Copy, and now it's been added to your Dropbox folder. In this collection, you will receive a 3x4 title card, a 3x4 journal card, and a 4x6 graphic card. Let's open the Project Life app to create our 2-page 6x8 spread. I will be using the Design 6x8B template for both pages. I will also be using the Avant-Garde font, which is free, and you can download this at wilsonwilson.org. I'm going to start with the left side of the page first by tapping on the Create icon on the Project Life app home screen. I'm going to tap on the Collage page, and here is my 6x8B template that I'm going to be using. I am going to add a title card to this upper left pocket by tapping on the pocket and tapping on the photo icon. I'm going to go into my Dropbox folder and tap on the Today collection and the title card. And now it's been imported into the Project Life app. I'm going to add text to this card by tapping on the Compose icon. I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to move it down. I'm going to add text. I'm going to center my text. I'm going to center my text field within the card and adjust the line spacing a little bit. Now I'm going to add my photo card in the upper right pocket by tapping on the pocket and tapping on the photo icon. Next, I'm going to add my graphic card to the bottom pocket by tapping on it and then tapping on the photo icon. Go into Dropbox. And now my graphic card has been imported into the Project Life app. Now this layout is complete. For the right side of this page spread, I'm going to add a journal card. I'm going to tap on the upper left pocket and tap on the photo icon. Go back into Dropbox and add my journal card. I'm going to add text to this card. To do this, I'm going to tap on the compose icon. I'm going to type in the date. I'm going to move it up. I'm going to add another text field. I'm going to add the time. For ease of use, I found that if I copy and paste from Notepad, it's easier to use the freeform text tool. I'm going to add my journaling by tapping on the plus button. I'm going to paste my copy. I'm going to center my text. I'm going to move it down so it's centered within the card. I'm going to adjust the line spacing so it's easy to read. And move it down a little bit. Now I'm going to add a photo in the upper right pocket. I'll tap on the pocket, tap on the photo icon, and select the photo. I can also tap on the bottom pocket and still have this window open and tap on the photo that I want. Now this two-page spread is complete. You will notice that each of these digital cards pair perfectly with any Wilson's collections to create a cohesive look throughout your albums. I hope this video inspires and gives you the basics on how to save and import Wilson products directly into the Project Life app. For all inquiries, you can reach Sally directly at contact@wilsonwilson.org. You can find me at my preferred social media platform, Instagram account, at This Mama Scraps. Be sure to check out other coordinating collections on wilsonwilson.org and join us in the Wilson Facebook group. Thank you again for following along.